Hi, welcome to Preset Store. In this video, I will show you how to edit all black filter using Lightroom Mobile. Here are some examples of the photo using this filter. Alright, let's get started. First, go to Light. Exposure to plus 0.5. Contrast plus 60. Highlight plus 20. Shadow minus 10. White minus 100. And black plus 100. Now go to Curve. Copy the example as shown. Alright, now go to Color. Vibrance minus 25. Saturation minus 40. Now go to Color Mix. Red. Saturation plus 15. Luminance minus 10. Orange. Saturation plus 20. Luminance plus 10. Now go to Yellow. Hue minus 100. Saturation minus 100. Luminance plus 100. Now go to Green. Saturation minus 100. Now go to Aqua. Hue plus 100. Saturation minus 100. Now go to Blue. Saturation minus 100. Purple. Saturation minus 100. Magenta. Saturation minus 100. Now go to Effect. Texture plus 10. Clarity plus 20. Dehaze plus 40. Now go to Split Tone. For the highlight part, Hue 210, Saturation 5. Shadow part, Hue 220, Saturation 10. Now go to Details. Noise reduction plus 35. Alright, it's done. Copy the preset setting and apply to other photo. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like and share, and also to subscribe this channel for more video.